Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Make Progress. Career choices after 10th class. We have many choices after finishing 10th class. One should know about all these career choices after finishing their 10th standard. But many of us don't know about all these choices and just they'll go directly to intermediate. So let's be aware of all the choices and then choose an option from that. After 10th, we have intermediate, polytechnic, triple IT, ITI, paramedical. See, and below are the courses offered by those streams, and we have other short term courses and other choices as well. So, let's go deep into these all choices and just get knowledge of all these choices and then choose an option from that, choose a choice. So, let's see. Intermediate. I think everyone is aware of intermediate, or you say it as plus one, plus two. So its duration is 2 years. We have three streams here, that is science, commerce, arts. In science, you have MPC, BIPC, and library science. Everyone is aware of MPC and BIPC. MPC, in this MPC group we have maths, physics and chemistry. You'll be studying these three subjects deeply, and then by PC you'll be studying biology, physics and chemistry. There is one more branch, that is library science. Mostly the people who becomes librarians will be studying this course. It is basically a field of study that teaches how to manage all the books and other materials in the library, and you'll know the cataloging and the books preservation and the digital preservation and research methodology, etc. So mostly or the one who wants to become a librarian, who is a bookworm, mostly they'll be going for the library science. And then in commerce you have CEC group. In CEC you'll be learning commerce, economics and civics. Next, arts. You have two groups in this arts. One is MEC, that is HEC. In MEC you will be studying maths, economics, commerce, and in HEC you will be studying history, economics and civics. So these are the streams and the groups available in the intermediate, and its duration is 2 years. Polytechnic. Yes, it is like diploma in engineering. It is a 3 year course. It is of 3 years, and you'll have to write an entrance test, that is polytechnic entrance test, or you'll say in AP you'll be saying polyset. You'll be getting seat in some polytechnic colleges according to the rank you got in this entrance test. And the branches or the courses offered in polytechnic are aeronautical, agriculture, architecture, automobile, biomedical, biotechnology, chemical, civil, computer science, electronics and communication, electrical, triple IT, marine technology, mining technology, leather technology, textile technology, petroleum technology, plastic technology, and rubber technology. Mostly, I knew that these courses are available in Polytechnic. Maybe few maybe are also available. Here, you will have good basic knowledge after studying these courses. So after studying polytechnic you can directly join in the second year of engineering. And then you'll be continuing with the other engineering students. And next, triple IT. This is, I think it is available in only Andhra and Telangana. Only I think three triple ITs are available for the people who finish at their 10th. Its duration is about 6 years, both 11th, 12th, and under graduation. You'll be finishing in triple IT only. You should get good score in the 10th standard. I mean, should score more CGPA in the 10th board exams. It belongs to the state government. It is mostly selected on merit basis only. uh, Mostly government schools, the people who studied in the government schools are having more chance of getting seat into these triple ITs. ITI, Industrial Training Institute. So we will be seeing many ITI courses. Its ITI duration is 2 years, and here courses available are computers, civil, cookery, electrical fitter, fireman, horticulture, surveyor. In mechanical, you have radio and TV, motor vehicle. You'll be repairing. You'll be knowing how to repair them and the structure and functioning of them. And then marine, machine tools, plumber, paint technology, welder. One who wants to become in any of these, then just they can go for ITI. Its duration is 2 years. Next, paramedical. Its duration is 3 years. The courses available are many, and a few of them I have mentioned here: nursing care unit, Ayurvedic nursing, rural healthcare, medical record technology, ECG technology, dialysis techniques, X-ray technology, MRI technician, health inspector, sanitary inspector, and so on. You have many other courses available in paramedical in different universities and in different colleges. Uh, you can just know further. And other available courses are short-term courses. They're about 6 months to 1 year of duration, like animation, cybersecurity, DTP, that is desktop publishing, graphics, internet, tally, web designing. Even many other online courses are also available. You can check those. And finally, if you go for the other choices, they are beauty and cosmetology, fashion designing, jewelry designing, photography. These are completely different from the choices what we have talked before. So many universities and colleges are offering these courses. Just go for them if you are really interested in those streams. In Andhra Pradesh, you will be writing APRJC exam after finishing your 10th, and the polytechnic entrance, that is polyset. Every college uh, in different particular state, they'll be having their exams separately for their state alone. For Andhra Pradesh, you'll be having the polyset, and these are the links available here. See, finally we have seen all the courses available after 10th. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please do like and share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to get the notification.